Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to customize Windows 11 Start menu. Customizing the Windows 11 Start menu allows you to organize your apps the way you prefer to. You can pin your favorite programs, remove unwanted items, and adjust layout settings. Personalizing the Start menu makes navigation faster and more efficient. In this guide, you'll learn how to customize the Windows 11 Start menu step by step. First, click the Start button on the taskbar. Right-click any app in the Start menu. Select Pin to start to edit to the Pinned section. To remove an app, right-click it and choose Unpin from the start. Click and drag pinned apps to rearrange their position. Click Start, then open Settings. Now go to Personalization. Click Start in the right panel. Toggle Show Recently Added Apps on or off. Toggle Show Most Used Apps on or off. Click Folders to choose which system folders appear next to the power button. Enable folders like Downloads, Documents, Settings, or File Explorer, if desired. Close Settings and open the Start to see your customized layout. Tip: keep only frequently used apps pinned to make your Start menu cleaner and faster to navigate. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.